Welcome to the heart of Coca-Cola's innovation, where billion-dollar secrets turn simple ingredients into global refreshment.
Here, precision mixing unlocks the timeless flavor. Over 140 years of guarded recipes in every batch.
This carbonation step is the sparkle of joy, infusing life into every bottle with exact science.
Watch automation at its finest, filling millions of bottles daily with zero waste and perfect consistency. Our billion-dollar network delivers refreshment worldwide. AI-driven routes ensuring every bottle arrives fresh.
Sustainability isn't optional. It's our core, recycling 100% of materials to protect tomorrow's world.
Innovation drives us, testing thousands of flavors to keep Coca-Cola eternally exciting.
Confirming pallet 4B clearance. Move to staging area 7.
Over.
Sensors green, convoy 1 cleared for exit.
Roger that. Holding bay 3 is open.
Continue reto na rodovia. Chegada prevista para as 14 horas.
Make sure the west labels are secure.
Got it. This one goes to the south pallet.
Pallet do pedido 42 na balança, peso confirmado.
Doca liberada, pode seguir.
Your synchronization is improving, but watch the flow rate on the display.
Understood. I will adjust the intake pressure.
The latest production data is synced. Check the version control on pipeline 6, and we have a bottleneck.
Rerouting the deploy now.
Guide the panel to sector 4. Copy that, moving now.
Are the quarterly reports fully reconciled?
Yes, the digital seals are applied and ready for filing.
The analyzer readings confirm it. We achieved the desired stability with the new synthesis method.
This is the breakthrough we needed for the Coca-Cola formula.
To the incredible team that made this possible, 1 billion units! Cheers to the next billion!
The predictive model shows a 4% increase in efficiency.
Excellent. The insights are clear on the dashboard.
We are seeing a 40% optimization in the supply chain sequence.
Rerouting the logistics now based on the projection.
All right, everyone, settle down. Mark it and roll camera. We need that perfect sparkle on the bottle. Hit the lights. Action.
We are seeing a strong preference for the new flavor profile in the data cloud. The chatbot has successfully resolved 90% of queries.
The AI continuously recalculates, presenting optimized paths that the team then validates in real time.
Reviewing the error logs now, we had a slight variance on the flow rate.
Compensated the actuator speed, looks stable for the next cycle.
The Q3 carbon intensity reduction is significant, exceeding our targets by 5%.
And the localized net.
The continuous supply agreement is settled then.
Yes, my team has reviewed the data sync.
Excellent. We can move forward with the signing.
The sweetness level on ZSF23B is holding steady. Flavor profile seems clean, no off notes detected.
Manifest confirmed for hold 4. Clear to lower the next unit.
Roger that. Bringing it down now.
Zoom into the Southeast Asia market.
The Q3 projections look promising.
Yes, the algorithm predicts a 12% growth.
Pressure is rising at valve 3. Secure the clamp now.
Maintain synchronization. Watch the vapor output.
We need to ensure the fiber alignment is perfect for the structural integrity.
Your sustainability scores are lagging behind the target. What's the recovery plan?
We've already begun transitioning to the new suppliers listed on slide 42.
The accelerated loop confirms the Q4 surge in the European sector.
Acknowledged. Pushing the trained model to the main cluster now.
The data clearly indicates a significant shift in emerging markets. We must adapt our strategy now.
The degradation levels are stable. We can confirm the 3-month validity timeline.
These partnerships are crucial to the closed-loop system, ensuring sustainable growth across the network.
Acknowledged. AI has stabilized the flow. All thresholds are currently green.
The Q3 projections show a significant gap here in the Southeast sector.
The algorithm suggests a targeted marketing push to leverage this.
So if we combine the raspberry with a hint of chili, it creates that perfect balance.
And what about the texture for the prototype kit?
Nossos KPIs mostram crescimento recorde. Graças ao trabalho árduo de todos, hoje celebramos o sucesso da nossa fábrica.